Single lens reflex, SLR, cameras. These cameras use a single lens for both viewing and taking the photograph. SLRs provide a bright, clear viewfinder image and offer interchangeable lenses for flexibility. They are popular with professional photographers due to their versatility and high-quality image capture. The Canon A1 is a popular choice for beginners due to its affordability and ease of use. The Nikon FM2 is a classic, fully mechanical camera that is built to last. The Pentax K1000 is another popular choice for beginners, known for its durability and simplicity. Rangefinder cameras. Rangefinder cameras use a separate viewfinder and rangefinder system to focus the lens. They offer a quieter and more discreet operation than SLRs, making them popular with street photographers. They also tend to be smaller and more compact than SLRs. The Leica M6 is a legendary camera known for its precision and build quality. The Contax G2 is a modern rangefinder with autofocus and fast lenses. The Fujifilm GF670 is a compact medium-format camera that offers both rangefinder and folding capabilities. Medium-format cameras. These cameras use larger film sizes than traditional 35mm cameras, which can result in higher resolution and image quality. Medium-format cameras are often used by professional photographers for portrait, fashion, and landscape photography. The Hasselblad 500cm is a classic medium-format camera known for its modular design and exceptional image quality. The Mamiya RB67 is a heavy-duty camera that is popular among portrait photographers. The Pentax 67 is a favorite among landscape photographers for its wide lenses and exceptional image quality. Point-and-shoot cameras. These cameras are designed for ease of use and convenience, with automatic focus and exposure settings. They are often compact and lightweight, making them popular for travel and casual photography. The Canon Sure Shot is a popular 35mm point-and-shoot camera known for its compact size and ease of use. The Olympus Stylus Epic is a sleek and stylish camera that is known for its sharp lens and weather-sealed body. The Ricoh GR1 is a high-end point-and-shoot camera that is beloved by street photographers for its fast lens and compact size. Polaroid cameras. Polaroid cameras use instant film that produces a print shortly after the photograph is taken. They offer a unique and nostalgic aesthetic, and are popular for creative and experimental photography. The Polaroid One-Step is a classic instant camera that produces square prints. The Polaroid SX70 is a folding camera that produces more detailed prints. The Fujifilm Instax Wide 300 is a modern instant camera that produces wide-format prints. Large-format cameras. These cameras use very large film sizes and require a tripod for stability. Large-format cameras are often used for architectural and landscape photography, and offer extremely high image resolution. The Linhof Technica is a versatile camera that is popular among landscape photographers. The Ebony RW810 is a lightweight camera that is known for its exceptional image quality. The Graflex Crown Graphic is a classic press camera that is beloved by street photographers and photojournalists. Single lens reflex, SLR, cameras. These cameras use a single lens for both viewing and taking the photograph. SLRs provide a bright, clear viewfinder image and offer interchangeable lenses for flexibility.